So we have gathered your questions from some of our content dun sa mga social media postings namin at susubukan namin isa-isa yung sagutin. No? So first one is from Case SNM. Magkakaroon pa ba ng third installment ng Transition Inception cards? Seems like putol kasi yung artwork. Actually, the Creation series is a trilogy. And yung first one is Inception, pangalawa is Transition. Yung pangatlo, yung working title nun, it's Transition. Ang difference kasi ng Inception and Transition sa years is about 2 to 3 years, 2021, and na-release ng Transition 2024. So, we'll try to come up with the third deck, yung conclusion, by 2 to 3 years from Transition. So, 2027 or 2026, hopefully. Next question. Ang ganda ng Mickey na jacket. Saan nabibili yan? This jacket in particular is from OVO, October's very own. It's a Disney collaboration. And idagdag ko na rin dito kasi may mga questions regarding sa mga hoodies na ginagamit namin. Rotation yan is Fear of God, October's very own, Carrots by Anwar Carrots. And sa local, Secret Fresh, definitely kay Boss Biggs. Ito, and currently, Medieval, it's a local brand as well. At yun yung mga rotation ko na binibilihan at kinukuhanan ng mga hoodies. Next questions, isa sa mga masugid nating taga-nood, it's Eileen. Meron po bang chance na nakasale ma-avail yung mga decks na open nyo para sa content? Or pwede bang ma-avail yung nakasale yung mga open the decks? So probably that's the essence, no? Yes, it's currently available sa imperfect or on sale section ng website. It's discounted siya. Dalawang klase yun. Yung first is yung perfect. Hindi siya open pero may konting dent or imperfection lang sa box pero yung cards unaffected. At yung pangalawa, yung mga ginagamit namin, yung mga ino-open namin sa mga content. Available na siya at a discount. Next question from Jerome Paragua. Sabi niya, boss, ask ko lang kung ilang taon ka na. I'm turning 36 this year for 2025. Ganun na, medyo tito na tayo. Next question from Jose Marie Manalo. Sabi niya, planning to order soon. Ask ko lang kung may sticker ba kayo so I can purchase it too or kung may free. Actually, when you order online or kaya bumili kayo dito sa physical store, Shopee, online or dito sa physical store, makakuha kayo ng mga free stickers. We don't sell these, but we give them out as gifts. So currently, ang naka-line up natin na stickers for giveaway are yung mga aces from Transition playing cards. This were made, yung artwork nito is created by Glenn Pagdilao, a local Philippine artist from Bataan. Next comment from Axel Vina. Sabi niya, ang bilis naman out of stock, referring to the Gundam series, no? We will be restocking this, yung mga Gundam series na to by March, hopefully. We are just waiting for the shipment to arrive. And this time, dinamihan na namin, ginawa na namin 4 times yung dami, yung quantity na pinasok namin. So, hindi kayo agad mauubusan. Kasi yung last time, di namin in-expect na mag-sell out siya in a matter of less than a week. So, dinamihan na namin and hopefully lahat makakuha na. Next question is from Von. Ang tanong niya is, kailan tayo magre-restock ng mga rocker na wooden gun? So, right now, we have restocked this. Ito, yung isa is assault rifle AK-47 at yung isa yung Thompson, no. So both of these are already restocked. So kunin niyo na lang, it's either here at the store or online or sa Shopee. Next one is from Jenard Pedro. Saan kayo nagpapa-frame? This one is in referral to dun sa mga uncut sheets na pinapa-frame namin, no. Before meron kaming pinapa-frame man na suki na rin namin, no, na framer malapit lang dito. It just so happened na we've been telling the supplier constantly to improve the imperfections doon sa pag-craft nila nung frame itself. It just so happened na kahit sobrang dami na naming napagawa on our end, no, hindi pa rin talaga napapansin or hindi pa rin nai-improve yung quality of the framer, no. So, the frame itself rather, no. So, right now, we are still on the lookout doon sa maganda. Marirecommend talaga namin na framer kasi ayaw naman namin mag-recommend talaga nang hindi talaga kami satisfied na supplier, no. So those are the questions for this video and hopefully nasagot namin yung ilan sa mga tanong nyo. So if you have any more questions, let us know in the comment sections or mag-comment kayo doon sa mga social media content namin. Okay? Yun lang.